अरे उरी उरी फ्लाय कर पुरो
कुलदीप खंय रे तो
अरे आमका तुका घेऊन जा
अरे कुलदीप
आमच्याकडे आठ रे त्याच्याकडे असं नाही रे तो उडायचा सारखं तुझ्याकडे तुझ्याकडे आठ रे
लँड कर
राव रे टाका आहे पुन्हा
तुझ्याकडे ये गुड गुड
अरे कुलदीप हवेला
दारा तुझ्या भाषेत एक बोलले मरतो
रायपूर राजेश्वर IIT मध्ये
काय ते
सोडा
सोरडा गुडा असं दोन माणसं पुरी सोरडा झाला फेमस तू झाल्या पाकिस्तानाक बी धाडशीत तो
कशें म्हण केले तुझे हय सांग मरे
So we started on this project since October 2021. So we were interested in flying objects. By doing research, we came up with this. Actually, the concept of this bird is known as ornithopter, which was actually invented by the famous scientist Leonardo da Vinci. So this thing, we will show you what is inside. So there is a small motor which is controlled by the receiver unit, and there is a gearbox here which provides a reduction of provides reduction to make this flap at about 11 flaps per second. So and there is a microcontroller over here, the Arduino Pro Mini. So we use this because we had to manipulate the data which is received from this receiver and translate the data into the PWM signals which are required for the motor to run, as well as to control the servo motor which provides the rudder action, and that's it. And this is just a hatch to make it like a real bird. Myself, Diptesh Dinesh Chari. I am from Shiroda, and I study in Rajeshwar Institute of Technology, second year electronics. The main thing I want to focus here is about our chairman, sir, C. Subhash Shirodkar, sir, because without him, this project wouldn't have been means possible only because he had funded us for this project and supported us a lot. So. Yeah, we want to thank him a lot, and that's it.
कितलो टाइम लागलो तुमकां करपाक हे?
So we started to make this from I think October 2021, and since then we were working on this. Means starting 3 months just went on the research only, and then I think on 6th January of 2022 we had a first successful flight, and then. That first prototype also failed, but then again two to three prototypes we had to make, which again failed. But the week before we had one more prototype, so that went into the observation of one of the members over here, the organizing team of Sci-Fi, and they told us to bring this over here. And since last 1 week we were working on this, we used to work till 4 AM in the morning to get this thing fly in the air.
वो कितल्या प्रोटोटाइप निघालो?
I don't remember exactly. We had a lot of prototypes.
Okay.
I don't remember really.
Okay. Can you fly one more time?
Okay.
अभी तो हमको पे लिया ना कितनी बार हो गया तो ब्रदर
So what is the cost of prototyping? Cost came about $10.
फुटता नाच झालो
I cannot tell you that now because this is just a prototype. We did not count that how much time we required to make this because we had to change the parts and all.
How long you can fly?
For about I think 5 minutes.
Good. Can you fly?
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
लँड कर येत कडे लँड कर
ना तो लँड जाईल
येत कडे
अरे तो कावडा वगैरे फाटले
अरे तो कावडा तो उडवून खाते सोडून बरे गेला नो रिया मेनू अरे अरे अरे
अरे देवा.
रेंज कितले आले का कितले बरे
पडता तो.
असं घेतली तू बाहेर
ना तू परत घे
घेऊ बरं